6 a.m. I'm in my Isodrones home office, and you probably can see in my eyes that it's still dark outside and I'm not exactly rested. But the good thing is I have some news for you. Isodrones is going to a new campaign. We are heading to Costa Rica once again, and we really hope that the COVID restrictions will let us do that. There's gonna be the STEM borehole method. We're gonna monitor water isotopes of many trees in this forest in situ. We're gonna have drone footage, we have new cameras, we have another multispectral camera, we have the thermal camera with a better calibration this time, and we are going to take samples with the drone. Samples from the canopy way up in the tree. Really excited. We also have new team members to introduce to you. We are stoked.